Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show where I don't jump up and down and act like a cart-wheeling clown, and unless it's freaking really spicy, and generally I can handle heat. So, yeah. This is Samyang Buldak Tom Yum flavor. This is a new one. I've been really wanting to try it, and I'd like to send a shout out to Daniel over at Exotic Nudes, Noods, that is, .com. Exotic Nudes has subscription boxes with really great international varieties. Here's what I whipped up. This is the Tom Yum noodle with a little bit of scallion, a single large shrimp, and a bit of crushed red pepper, a dash of sesame seed, and a lemon slice. Oh. All right, well, this is
Mimi.
And this is
Mom.
And it's time to give this a try. You guys just got back from California, huh?
Yeah, I got back from California because I checked out the San Francisco Giant show on, I think probably Walmart.
Oh, I see. And did you have fun? Mm-hmm. All right. Well,
I got a new dress.
Yeah,
Two
you did.
new dresses.
Yeah, very cool. All right, well, I guess it's time to give this a try. So I need a ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Thank you.
Here we go. I've actually tried it a lemon at school before in kindergarten.
Yeah?
Yeah, it wasn't that sour. Lots of people say it's sour. And I love shrimp. Yeah.
Well, this is a super spicy one. I'm not going to make you try this.
Yeah. I did not try spicy a lot.
You tried it the last 2 episodes of this show.
I know. I just don't like spicy a lot.
This is really interesting. I'm trying to quantify it in some way, shape, or form. The broth is extremely... It's got a nice oiliness to it. As far as Tom Yum, it's about the strangest Tom Yum I've ever had. Yeah, I will say this, the heat level is like, for a bulldog, generally I expect my head to be popping off, not even slightly. The broth is a trip. I think I'm getting lemongrass. But I will say this really tastes nothing like Tom Yum to me. I don't know. I really like the noodle. And although I'm really not getting the hallmarks, the lemongrass, the chili, the shrimpiness, I am getting the kind of, like I was thinking, maybe a bit of a tomatoiness going on. Maybe a little lemongrass, but oh, this is weird. I mean, not J.D. Vance weird, but weird. If somebody gave me this and said, give this a try, what do you think? What do you think it is? I'd be like, I'll admit that Tom Yum would not be my first thing in a blindfolded try of this. And kind of like there's the whole concept of like, if you got a hammer, everything looks like a nail. I'm told this is Tom Yum, and I'm looking for the Tom Yum. I'm just not. But it's good. This is actually really good. I like it. But I keep getting these weird tastes in here that just don't quite add up. It's like there's a sweetness going on that... I mean, granted, it's Buldak, so it's going to lean heavily on that basically Korean barbecue chicken hot sauce flavor. Now, remember, on these packages, it says that it's artificial hot spicy chicken flavor ramen. It is not. Okay, that is incorrect. This tastes nothing like chicken. None of them do, and they're not supposed to. The translation's wrong. This is supposed to have the flavor of the sauce you put on spicy Korean barbecue chicken. And I've had people tell me and swear up and down and get even mad. Dude, it tastes like chicken. If you think it tastes like chicken, I got some oceanfront property on the International Space Station to sell you. That's not to say if they did a chicken flavored variety, like an actual chicken flavored, that probably would be pretty good. We used to have a little place nearby called Chai Mick and Hot Pot, and they served beer, but it wasn't a bar. You know, you could bring the kids in, but they had Korean bar food. And we also had a place called Chicky Pub, and that was another fried chicken place. Korean fried chicken is the bomb. It's really good. But this Chai Mick and Hot Pot place, they had that. You could get boneless Korean fried chicken. It's like it's double fried, so it has like 2 layers of batter on it. They had spicy, they had regular, they had, I think it was honey garlic with little sesame seeds. They also had tteokbokki, and they had cream cheese tteokbokki that had crab meat with it. So good. Unfortunately, they got sold, or they left, and another Korean joint moved into that spot, and it was way more standard, you know. Yeah, we were really bummed about that. So I'm just curious, how'd the election go? It's August 13th. Supposedly, any minute now, Israel's going to get bombed. Trump just had his interview with Elon Musk, which sounds like it was an absolute, didn't go well. I couldn't even imagine those guys talking to each other. It just sounds like mutual admiration and usury fest. I don't know. That and the thing now is Trump is saying that Harris's crowd size, it's all done with AI. They came out with a video of him like on the plane or going up the plank for the plane and turning around and waving, and then people behind him shooting video showing that there's nobody he's waving to. It's really weird. It goes well with my shrimp. The lemon really didn't enter into the situation. And that's the funny thing too. Usually Tom Yum has a strong lemongrass flavor, at least citrus. But even though I have got like a big old piece of lemon in here, I'm not getting that either. Done. Pretty good. I mean, I have to say, I'm really not getting like traditional Tom Yum whatsoever out of this. It's a stew type, so it's got a lot of broth. The heat level, my nose is running just a little bit. My lips are burning, my mouth is burning, but it's not like anywhere near 1X Buldak. In fact, this just seems at par mostly with like just a regular spicy variety. I think you'll be able to find this in Denmark. I'm just saying that much. But yeah, it's good. Not as advertised, but good. All right, well, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and me need help, and you helping me, that's kind. So, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.